Welcome back to another video, guys. In this video I will show you how to remove the wing mirror. So I've already done it more or less. So this just pulls off, this unclips from there. As you can see, it's underneath. You squeeze that and pull it out, and then there's a screw there at the bottom there, and there's a screw in there. It's a little cap. You take the cap off and screw there, and there's another screw. Literally, once they've come off, everything should literally pop out, just as simple as this. So I'll show how that it's off. It literally just pops off like that, comes off. This is a folding mirror, by the way. Well, they're all the same anyway, but the new one. So there you are, all changed, guys. What you need to remember as well, so these companies that sell these on eBay, their fitment is a little different. You see these two there? So this is the one that came on eBay, basically. That's the original one fitted. Obviously this is Primate, as you can see, and that's the original colour. So I tried to use the original one on it, but it didn't work. So the difference was I had to chip this one here, I think it was, on the original one. Had to chop it off because it was sticking out and there was no hole for it. So I've cut it off, and there you are, really, all done. And it should just literally fit back. Quite simple, and that goes there with the rest.